Welcome back to America Tech. In episode 3 of our AI Modeling for Beginners series, we're exploring one of the hottest topics in AI today, large language models, or LLMs. These are the technologies powering chatbots, writing assistants, and even coding tools like ChatGPT. But how do they really work? Let's break it down. At a high level, an LLM is a type of AI that's trained to understand and generate human language. It's trained with massive amounts of text, books, articles, websites, and more to learn patterns in languages. LLMs don't memorize the text word for word. Instead, they learn patterns, which words tend to follow other words, how sentences are structured, and how context changes meaning. When you ask a question, the model predicts the most likely next words to form an answer. You've already seen LLMs in action, chatbots answering customer questions, email or document summarization, language translation, content generation for blogs or social media, coding assistants like GitHub Copilot. Here's a simplified view. Input. You type a question or prompt. Processing. The model analyzes patterns from its training data. Output. It generates a coherent response, word by word, predicting what makes sense next. LLMs are powerful, but they aren't perfect. They can make mistakes or generate incorrect information, called AI hallucinations. They rely on patterns, not true understanding of meaning. Responsible usage is key, especially in business and critical applications. Let's summarize. LLMs learn from vast text data. They predict words based on patterns, not memorizing content. They power chatbots, translators, writing assistants, and more. They are tools to augment human creativity and efficiency. That concludes our brief introduction to LLM. In episode 4, we'll simplify neural networks, the building blocks that make LLMs and other AI systems possible. If this video helped you understand LLMs, leave a like, subscribe, and share with friends curious about AI. Have questions or examples you want us to explore? Drop them in the comments. We might cover them in upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 4.